we have a selection of kind of all my daily, I've all my daily basics in here. Like I was saying to you, I feel like my makeup is quite boring.
Okay.
In terms of, I like what I like, I stick with what I like, and I do probably very simple makeup. I never really wear eye makeup.
Okay.
And ever since I had my bleph,
Mm-hmm.
I haven't really explored with that. So I feel like my makeup is quite boring. I bought down a couple of my favourite skincare bits.
Okay.
A few brushes that aren't destroyed.
Okay.
Neck cream.
Okay.
Now that we're in our 40s.
Yeah. Okay. Amazing.
I use this every single day. The
Okay.
Trini neck cream
Okay.
is amazing. Like
Okay.
I wouldn't be without it now.
Do you see a difference?
I see a difference. I'm gonna try and get. I did take a selfie last year of my neck. I see and I feel a difference.
Okay. Wow.
With it, so that's one of my like non-negotiables.
Okay.
I'll tell you about this lipstick later.
Okay.
It's a mess. I take collagen in my makeup bag on holidays and everywhere I go. Even though it's not makeup, I cannot be without this in my makeup bag.
Okay.
So I have that there, my key collagen. Then this moisturizer. I use this every day at the minute.
Love
AU Skin. It's really, really nice. I found the night cream was a bit heavy on my skin, but I really like that day cream. That would be kind of my basic stuff that I would carry around with me. Like I didn't want to bring down washes and things. The Brow Aid eye mask I was wearing when we opened the door.
Yeah.
That's always in my bag as well. This I would always have. The little eye sculpted by Amy.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's really, really nice. It's really cooling on the eyes. So I mean, I had the bleph and then I got so into
It looks amazing.
eye cream.
Yeah.
It was the best thing I've ever done for myself.
Really?
The best thing I've ever done for myself.
Okay.
I wanted it since I was like, we've known each other for 20 years.
Yeah.
And I probably wanted it then. I didn't know it was a thing, but I was always conscious of my eyes.
Okay.
And then when I was 30, I worked with this plastic surgeon, and he very kindly said, he was like, you could do it. He said, wait till you're 40. I was 39, and I could wait no more.
Okay.
So I had it done.
Oh, that looks amazing.
But then, so in terms of day-to-day makeup, so this is the heavy stuff. Or Beauty by Yosun.
Yes. Yeah.
I cannot be without this. I feel like I'm going to say it all the time. It's a really nice SPF 50.
Yeah.
I think it does the skin a lot of good. It's lots of skin benefit ingredients. It goes on really nicely. It leaves a really nice glow. I wear it without makeup. I wear it under makeup. That's a forever one.
Yeah.
I cannot be without this.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
I'd say I'm on my 10th tube, so I'm about to go out of this. This is ready to go. I can't get enough of that.
Yeah.
The Poco. This is a new one that I started last month. The Dr. Adele that I go to for a few needles here and there. And I get peels actually now, which is a new thing I've started doing the past year. But she said I have the start of rosacea just around here. Okay. And she really raves about Bioderma. So I've used their micellar water since I've known you, 20 years. This is new, but I really, really like it. I started using it on holidays, and it is a CC cream, but it blends kind of into the color of your skin.
Okay, yeah.
So with or without tan, it gives a really nice coverage, and my nose is quite red, but it's, again, I think it's going to be another staple. Like, this is only my first bottle. Yeah. But I love that, and it's got loads of actual benefits to help the skin as well. Okay. That I won't try to speak on. Then on a day-to-day basis, I don't really wear foundation. That would be the height of it. Yeah. But if I was going somewhere, which I'm not a lot at the minute, apart from to the school, it's Sculpted by Amy. Yeah. Always. It used to be the Second Skin Dewy Finish foundation. It's a shade, I think it's shade 3 maybe. I haven't used anything else since I got that version.
I love it. It's gorgeous.
It's so good. Yeah. Like it's so good.
Yeah.
I have 2 shades. So I have a shade for 3C when I have tan on now. Okay. And then I have 2.75, which I wear day to day as well. So like that's always going to be in my bag. It's amazing.
It is amazing. Yeah,
It's,
I love it.
and especially for non-pros like me, like it
Yeah.
gives a really nice finish.
Yeah.
Then I also have, this is gonna look like it's an ad for Sculpted, but it's not.
That's okay.
But it's amazing that most of my bag is all Irish products. There's another poke.
So I love, like, all the Irish girls are just, they're amazing.
They're amazing. Like, so I have the Sculpted concealer. I think it is the lightest one they do, shade Ivory.
Okay.
And then I have two of they have new ones out. I think the cream cushions now.
And they're stunning. Yeah.
But I only was in Kildare Village like 2 months ago, and I stocked up on these. So I have the blusher, the highlighter.
Okay.
Love, 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 love. And I also have the Sculpted Bare Basics.
Okay.
So this is relatively new. I feel like I got this at around Christmas time.
Okay.
My child has destroyed
Had a little play with it.
Had such a play with it. But again, like, it's so simple for people like me who don't, know how to mix. And I think these shades are nice for blue eyes.
Gorgeous, yeah.
Really nice. So again, I'm never without that. I think since they released that, I've always had one. The foundation, again, I love it. I don't use it as much now. I have a Poco eye, I don't know what it's called, but it's like an eyeshadow.
Okay, yeah.
There was a MAC brown that I think was about when we worked together. And I always loved that kind of shade.
Yeah.
As a non-professional, I've never been able to give a nice blend. Like, you are so famous for your lovely smoky eye. I've never been able to do that.
Okay, yeah.
But I can give a really nice look with this. Like, it melts, doesn't it? It just kind of melts out. I don't do a lot of glitter on my eyes. I suppose I'm not very brave. But this would be, if I was going somewhere, that would probably be on my eyes. I like how foolproof it is for me. Then another Irish brand I have is Hilden. So like, again, very good. I did years ago used to like buying Victoria Beckham products. Again, they are amazing. I haven't tried the new foundation. I mean, these eyeliners are amazing.
Yeah, I love Hilden. I was only saying it in my last one of these with Michelle. Like, love Hilden.
Love Hilden. And like, they are such good quality. The payoff, however you say it, like, again, for non-pros like me, it's very, very easy to work with. So I have their eyeliners, their lip liners, their lipsticks.
Okay.
Which Georgie hasn't
yet
found yet. I sent you a picture last night. This was my favourite lipstick
that she got.
And I didn't want to rush out and buy a brand new one today. It just wouldn't have felt real. But this Sculpted lipstick is Hydra Lip Blush. I loved it.
Gorgeous, yeah.
Her whole face. Like, her whole face. The car, this bag, everything was just wrecked. But anyway, that was my favourite. This isn't really makeup, but I think I was the last person in the country to buy a smooth stick.
Yeah, they're great, aren't they?
I've only gotten onto them in the past month. They are brilliant. So I do that for my hair, Georgie's hair. A Bioderma lip balm, because day to day I actually don't really wear lipstick.
I love lip balm,
but that Bioderma one is lovely. And then last but not least is my brow aid.
Yeah.
I cannot be without this.
Yeah, it's brilliant. It's all over stuff,
Imagine if we had this in COVID.
I know.
And I knew she was working on these. Like, I adore Kim, but I rave about this. Like, my aunt has lupus and she has 0 eyebrow hairs. And me as a non-professional, I've been able to, like, it looks like I've done fee-brows on this. Like, this will never not be in my makeup bag. And the brow aid eye mask that I just had on as well.
Love that.
That's kind of my top stuff that I have. So, and this is obviously where I work. It's the Vogue collection, Your Bestie Lobster. But this is amazing to have with this kind of makeup and with kids, because you can just bung it in the wash.
Yeah, it's lovely. I like the size of it as well.
Perfect, and it's years old. Like, we did that maybe 4 years ago.
Okay.
It's so good of her. So that's everything.
Okay. So for today, you're not, like, do you have anything in mind that you would like to try, or anything you'd like me to show you, or you know.
You are known for just, I don't know, you have like that flawless filter effect, like the Ashley makeup. So you can totally decide.
Okay, well we'll do like we can use a bit of this gorgeous Poco all over, and then like one of the Hilden, like a really soft.
Yeah. And I always, like, ever since, like, I don't think we've done my makeup probably in 10 years, but it's ever since you've done that under, what's it called, like under the tight line.
Yeah,
you used to like tight line, right? I can't do that. I can't do that.
Well, I know, even on myself, I feel like I'm going to poke my eye out, but it just makes such a difference.
Such a difference.
Such a difference.
Such a difference. It's up to you.
Okay.
I'm in your hands.
Okay.
No, can't wait to see.
Okay.
What would you? Ashley, it's perfect. It's like the classic Ashley. Done but not done. Like, it's perfect. Thank you so much. I could get married like this.
Just ring Jeff. Tell him you're going to renew the vows.
My next husband. It's perfect. Thank you so much. Gorgeous.